She looks tired, old girl, but still beautiful. I taught young pilots in this very cockpit. She always brought us home, no matter the weather. She was a beautiful bird. Take care of yourself, son.
The honor was all ours, sir.
Keep that flatbed steady, Tyler.
We need another meter on the wing clearance.
Copy that. Extending the boom now.
Easy on the throttle. Watch your left wing clearance.
Copy that. Coming back slowly. Keep it straight.
The AMC gray paint is completely gone here. That's deep pitting.
Yes, and look at the state of the turbofans. This will require months of work. Documenting the current state of the avionics bay. Significant dust accumulation here. The standby instruments appear salvageable, but
the corrosion here is extensive, right near the fuselage joint.
And the sensor readings on the tablet confirm the depth. The pitting here is worse than expected.
We'll need to patch Section 4 before we reinforce the spar.
Easy now. Bring it up another 2 feet. Watch your clearance on the scaffolding. All right, traverse left slowly. Okay, the crane has it secured. Let's move it to the bench.
Roger that. Be careful with the edge section.
Attention all personnel. Crane operations commencing in Bay 3. Ensure the area is clear.
All right, steady now. We are approaching the shear plate.
Confirming alignment. Coming in slow.
Easy on the hoist, bring it down 5 inches.
Copy that, watching the pressure on the jack.
Doors are clear, lock it in.
Make sure that harness clears the hydraulic bypass.
It's clear. Securing the clamp now.
Torquing the B-nut on line 3.
Engine 1 stabilized.
2 and 3, spooling up nominal.
Hear that roar. All green, Alex.